Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so it's going to be a nice quick video this week. Asparagus is in season at the moment, so I'm going to make a cream of asparagus soup. So let's get started. Okay, so we've got one onion, so we're just going to slice that up. Okay, and we've got some asparagus here, so I'm just going to remove the woody part at the end. Can't use that, it's a bit too tough. So then I'm also going to remove the tips. I'm going to use some of these tips just to go onto the soup at the end. Just cut them in half. You won't need them all. Okay, so tips in there, and the rest we can just slice up. Try and slice these quite thinly if you can. It's just that when you're making the soup, if you don't slice them thinly, it can go quite stringy. So this is about 300 grams of asparagus here. Okay, so just get your pot on, get it nice and hot. I'm going to go in first with some butter. I've got about 30 grams of butter here. Then we're going to go in with our onion that we sliced. And we're going to sweat this down for about 2 or 3 minutes. Just add a pinch of salt at this stage. Okay, so once the onions have been cooking down for about 2 or 3 minutes, we'll go on next with the asparagus. And we'll just cook this for about another 2 minutes. Just occasionally stirring it. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we can now go in with our flour. So I've got 1 tablespoon of flour, just in with that. Give that a good mix up. And you want to cook this out for about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Okay, so next we're going to go in with some white wine. I'm going to go in with about 50 ml of white wine. And just reduce this down a bit before we add our stock. Okay, so next we're going to go in with our stock. Now I'm using chicken stock today, but obviously if you're vegetarian you just replace the chicken stock with vegetable stock. So I've got 500 ml of stock, in with that. And we're just going to bring this to the boil. Then we're going to turn it down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so our soup's been simmering for about 10 minutes now. So I'm just going to turn this off. I'm going to go in with just a handful of spinach. Also just a bit of salt and pepper. And we're now going to transfer this to get liquidised. Okay, so now we just transfer our soup into our food processor. Okay, so once your soup is liquidized, we'll just transfer this into a clean pan. Okay, so now we'll just transfer our soup into our pan. And I'm just going to go in with 2 tablespoons of double cream. And I'm just going to slowly bring this up to the heat. Okay, so while we're waiting for our soup to come back up to the heat, we're going to cook our asparagus tips that we saved earlier. So just in a pan, just get some butter in a pan. And the asparagus. Just a little bit of salt and pepper. And just a little bit of water. What we'll do is we'll just cover these for about 2 minutes and just let them steam. Okay, so asparagus tips are ready, our soup's hot, so we're now ready to plate it up. I'm just going to finish this off with some creme fraiche. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a go. If you are enjoying my videos, please give me the thumbs up. And please just hit that subscribe button. It just means you'll not miss out on any of my future content. And I look forward to seeing you all again soon.